Hi guys, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the shoe throwing tutorial again, but this time with slow motion and with the song Three Musketeers.
Three Musketeers, totally put me off, so the boy went out like a funny deer. Told me that you want me, this is how I was at. Just love me like the Three Musketeers.
So for this video, you're gonna record 3 videos on your camera phone, not TikTok app, okay? The first video is gonna be you wearing ugly clothes and with no makeup and just throwing your shoes in normal speed. And the second video is gonna be throwing your shoes but with the slow motion feature. And the third video is going to be you wearing nice clothes and makeup and just do a little kick with your shoes on. After recording, you can open an app called VITA app. Remember the app called Snow that I used it for the VCR filter? That same company, they came up with a one-stop video editing app called VITA. You can literally just do editing from trimming to dragging to masking to putting effects and sound effects and music transitions all in one app. Just upload that 3 videos that I told you, and on top of that, you're going to download a TikTok video that has the same sound. So on the first video, you're going to tap on PIP. You want to add TikTok video that you just downloaded. But don't worry about the TikTok video covering your video because you're going to go to blending mode, slide this all the way down. So you're going to use the music of the video, but you can't really see the video. You know what I mean? You're going to add another PIP, which is your slow motion. Enlarge it to fit in the screen. It's almost similar to the cloning tutorial that I made, which means the camera angle must remain the same from the beginning to the end to ensure perfect transition. Tap on mask and tap on linear. Use 2 of your fingers and adjust the lines and rotate it clockwise and place it in between the 2 videos so that the 2 videos can be in one frame. So we're gonna slide it to the part where the first video let go of my shoe. See? We're gonna move the slow motion video to the part where your first video let go of the shoe. So the first video of the hand position was like already in mid-air. So you're gonna make sure your slow motion video starts throwing your shoes in mid-air, if that makes sense. Go back to mask and tap on linear again because we're gonna adjust the line. Because the goal here is to blend the 2 videos together naturally, and you can also adjust the feather to make the line more natural. So according to the music, the shoe is not falling slow enough, so tap on the clip and tap on the speed, and you're gonna slow down a little bit on the speed just to match the song. Because the key here is to get your shoes falls in the right position when a beat hits. Now since we want the shoe to be right here, for the third video, we're gonna trim the beginning of the video to the part where kick at this position, not this, because this is too high to match the shoe position in the first video. So once you're done with the editing, you can just go to the filters. You just apply it on the individual clips. Here comes the best part. I want to put the stickers. I literally am obsessed with bling, so I'm just gonna add almost everything. So I'm gonna add after the transition because, you know, in glamour and shit. So it looks like zoom, you know what I mean? Like, oh, I love it. I love it. It looks so nice.
Three Musketeers, totally put me off, so the boy went out like a funny deer. Told me that you want me, this is how I was at. Just love me like the Three Musketeers.
If you don't have it, just go download it because it's available in Play Store and App Store. Life changing. It's free, you don't need to pay anything. And some of the free apps out there, they always have this watermark logo on top of your video. Wait, in this app you can remove the watermark logo. So just go to settings, see that VITA watermark, you can just turn it on and turn it off. And if you're too lazy to do all this editing, the VITA app has ready-to-go templates that you can use for beginners. So you have no excuses to not make nice videos, okay? That's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below, don't be shy. And this video shout out to... Thank you Sandy, Soft Aesthetic, and Diana for commenting. Love you! See what you get when you comment and like and subscribe my video, you get a shout out. Until then, just take care. See you next time.